Even now, Pepe Unchained is the most impressive. I have to say, guys, this pre-sale is by far the most exciting one I have ever witnessed. In the year 2025, it has the potential to become one of the most intriguing joke currencies. During the year 2024, it was one of the most intriguing initial coin offerings, ICOs. As of right now, it is very evident that Pepe Unchained is a great deal more than just a hilarious joke. Putting together an entire Layer 2 ecosystem is what it entails. Blockchain Explorer, incentives for staking, and financial support for developers are all included. Just consider the kinds of software developers they could hire with $55 million in their budget. I can say with absolute certainty that the development pool will not receive the $55 million. In a moment, we will discuss the tokenomic collapse. Nevertheless, in regard to Pepe Unchained, I have not witnessed such a high level of interest in something in a very long time. You mean to tell me that you make $1 million every single day? There is not even a single $1 million added to the Shiba Inu currency each and every business day. Let's have a conversation about it if you think it would be something that you would be interested in. Now, let's get started. How are everyone of you doing? And please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Clay, and as you can see, we are going to discuss Pepe Unchained. However, before we get into it, I would want to give you some news reports on it because so many of them are scattered about. There's a possibility that Pepe Unchained is the best currency game of the season. A new Layer 2 will be released in 16 days' time. The amount of money raised by Pepe Unchained during the pre-sale surpasses $54 million. Could this be the best joke coin of 2025? There are a few more tales that have been published the past few days, but whales are already reading them. You may see them now. Now, I'm going to explain about the reason why they are so busy. A lot of people are asking me, is Pepe Unchained a scam? They are aware that I have done live streams, right? Unchained Pepe is not a fraudulent scheme. They are now working on constructing a blockchain of level 2. An entire ecosystem is being created by these individuals. Undoubtedly, there is a market for this product. The amount is $55,142,000. All right? I'll say this right now. As is the case with every other intelligent individual, you have no idea what will take place the following day. Regarding tomorrow, I am unsure of what will take place. When it is released, I am not certain that a large number of people will be in a hurry to purchase this ticket. If people are afraid to sell, I'm not sure if they will do so. I have no idea what will take place the following day. The demand, on the other hand, has only increased throughout the course of time if you look at the history. Pepe Unchained was receiving between $100,000 and $200,000 in pre-order every single day when it was initially released, despite the fact that we were operating in a little different market at the time. A market that was marked by widespread dread was a highly powerful market. Both the fear to greed index and the out on coin market cap demonstrated that people were aware of their fears, but they continued to invest in the cryptocurrency market. We are witnessing pre-sale demand as high as $1 million every day, which is absolutely enormous. This is due to the fact that purchasers are becoming more confident and the market is becoming more greedy. In just 2 weeks, this pre-sale will come to an end. Would you like to see that? Let's have a look at that situation because I'm extremely thrilled about it. If it implies that once these funding pools are up and running, we will receive $1 million every single day. Then let's look at it. From this point on, they will be listed on major sites. There are a number of names that are being discussed, including KuCoin, Bybit, and possibly even Binance and COINBASE. As I have mentioned previously, they have not disclosed to us which markets they intend to list on. When it comes to decentralized platforms, however, tokenomics has a significant amount of money available for the construction of initiatives. The stakes were extremely high due to the fact that there were a great number of individuals who were very skilled at marketing and staking prizes. There are 7.5% of the liquidity pool. Approximately $4 million are being added to the cash pool at the moment. It seems reasonable to suppose that these individuals will continue to attract more customers till the conclusion of this pre-sale. For the sake of argument, let us assume that the liquidity pool contains approximately $5, $6, or $7 million at the beginning. The amount of money in that pool will increase by a factor of 2 in a period of less than a week if they do $1 million per day. One way in which liquidity pools function is as follows. When you purchase tokens, you remove the base liquidity from the pool and then add it back in. It is possible that this is Ethereum on a token of Ethereum, or it may be Solana on a token of Solana. To put it another way, it is a rise that is doubled. That is to say, the value of the token would increase by a factor of 2 if they received approximately $3 to $4 million in net new money. For the time being, I have no idea what it will look like. When Pepe Unchained is released, I have no idea what the market will be like because I have already stated that I have no idea. On the other hand, if individuals continue to contribute $1 million every day and the cash pool remains between $5 and $7 million, guys, the price will increase every 3 days. Do you agree that those are merely numbers? This is based on the current state of affairs. I simply want to bring this up because everyone believes that when a token seller, panic seller, or paper hand leaves, it is a horrible deal. But that is not actually the case, is it? There are things that could happen that are better and things that might happen that are worse. Other things would also be possible. The demand for Pepe Unchained has been extremely high, and if it continues to be this way when the game is released, the price of 1.2 cents will completely disappear within 2 or 3 days. A rapid increase from 2.5 cents to 5 cents and 10 cents is going to take place. It is now very evident that individuals will sell and will make money. When it comes to the cryptocurrency market, it is not a diamond hand if someone purchases something that is worth $100 and then it rises up in value to $200. Believe me when I say this, many individuals have a high level of sensitivity. I'm sure you're aware that it's the smaller players, right? It appears that they are unable to cling on anything for dear life. That group of individuals ought to be eliminated as quickly as feasible, if at all possible. First, we will endure the highs and lows, and then we will observe the outcome of the situation. I have high hopes that Pepe Unchained will actually live up to my expectations.